In this guide, we're going over how you can recover your Clash Royale account if you've lost access or can't log in. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, begin by opening up Clash Royale and logging into another account temporarily. If you have to create one, or if it's just a backup account, that'll work. We just need to access the in-game menu. Once you're in the game, look up in the top right corner. You're going to see a little 3-line icon. Select that, and once you do that, go ahead and find Settings from within here. Select this. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You need to find Help and Support on here. Select that, and it'll take you to a new page. It looks like this. Once you're in this option, you need to go ahead and see the little account issues section, so select that and then choose the option to recover your account. In this section, you're now going to see an option that says I've lost access to my account. Select that. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, and once you're in this page right here, you just need to log back in using the email connected to your Supercell ID. Now that is obviously if you do have your account linked to your Supercell ID, it's super easy in that instance. However, if it was not connected to a Supercell ID, you can still recover it by contacting support. So go ahead and back out of this section again. What you're going to want to do is once again hit Help and Support. Once you get back on this main screen, just hit the blue little bubble icon up at the very top and then select Leave a Message, just like so. It'll redirect you to a page that looks like this. In this page, you just need to say that you've lost access to your account, and then the support system will guide you through the recovery process, which may involve verifying account details and linking a new Supercell ID. Once the process is complete, your Clash Royale account will be restored, but that is how you can recover a Clash Royale account. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.